So in the previous example we have created like gallons to liters. So we will be adding two more buttons, like, so when we enter like 22 and calculate, so whenever we want to enter other values, we want to delete this and enter. So instead of that, we will be creating a button called clear and creating one more button called exit. Instead of closing like this, we will be creating button. So for that, let me copy this, create one more button and one more button. So this we will be saying clear and calling the method clear. Row is 2, column is 0. This is 3, column is 1, and we don't need, we can directly say a dot destroy, and this one we will say exit. So now we should have to write clear. Let us write this definition m clear, and we know e1 dot delete, and inside that 0 comma end, capital letters. Same goes to e2, 0 comma end. Now let us run the program. See here, we have created two more buttons. So let us say 33, calculate. Now clear, everything is clear. We can enter one more value, calculate, clear, exit. So we can also give like the width also for the buttons. Let us say width is equal to 25. Width is equal to 25. Width is equal to 25. And here let us say 0. Now run it. So this one seems to be more clearer than the previous one. So like this, according to our requirement, we can make the adjustments. Now it is looking way better than the previous one. Exit. So hope you understood. Meet you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing.